In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify online store to make it uniquely yours. This step-by-step guide will walk you through simple customization options, focusing on the visual aspects of your store, ideal for those new to Shopify or anyone looking to tweak their store's appearance. Let's begin by accessing your Shopify store. Log into your Shopify account, and once you're on the main dashboard, look to your left and find My Store. Clicking this will bring up your store's backend management page, where all customizations take place. Next, you want to navigate to the online store section in the left-hand menu. This is the hub for all things related to your store's design and layout. By clicking on Online Store, you'll gain access to a list of your published themes. Let's move on by clicking the Customize button next to the theme you wish to alter. This brings you into the Theme Editor, a powerful tool that allows you to modify the look and feel of your site. Once inside the theme editor, direct your attention to the top navigation bar and click on the header section. This is where you can manage your store's topmost elements, including the location of your store's logo, navigation menu, and more. After selecting header, find the option labeled Desktop Logo Position. This setting controls where your logo appears on the desktop version of your store. To position your logo, click and select Top Left. This is a common placement that many businesses use for a clean, professional appearance. Now let's turn our focus to the main menu. Click on it to adjust your navigation menu options. Here you can modify, add, or remove menu items to better align with your brand and customer needs. Next, head over to the bottom left of the editor where you'll see a theme settings icon. Click it to access more detailed customization options, including colors, typography, and style settings. Navigate to the logo section. Clicking on logo will open up options specific to your store's branding. Zero in on the select button to upload a new logo or change your existing one. Ensure you have the image you'd like to use ready and on hand. Select your preferred image and then confirm your choice by clicking Done. Now while you're in the settings, you have the option to pick a color scheme for your store. This includes both the logo and your menu color theme, ensuring that your store's look synchronizes perfectly with your brand identity. Once satisfied with all your selections, don't forget the final and critical step. Click Save. This will apply all your changes live to your store, allowing you to preview them immediately. With these simple steps, you have now successfully customized key aspects of your Shopify store. Congratulations on making your store more aligned with your brand vision. With practice, you'll find that personalizing your store can be a fun and rewarding experience.